Hello, I'm Dr. Tithi by profession. I'm a physiotherapist. Being physiotherapist, I knew that health is wealth. Health is a main part to live a happy life. So I was not that aware about the yoga. I seen the person doing the yoga, but I was not about the concepts of yoga. When I joined the Excel Yoga School, not only in my concepts of yoga, history of yoga, types of yoga were cleared, but in the guidance of a Samarth sir, he also teach me the discipline, consistency, and punctuality which is needed to be a better at life, which is important to be a great yoga teacher. And even in our daily life, the discipline and consistency is important that I learned from a yoga and Samarth sir. Even the yoga has not only teach me the punctuality and consistency, but it also helped me to rejuvenate even my organs, even my body parts. Not only it helped me in my flexibility, because yoga is not all about a flexibility, but it's all about your mental peace, your physical health. And overall, I said that health is wealth, and yoga helped me in the way of being improving my health, and learning the teacher training course I got from the guidance of a Samarth sir. I learned how to teach in a proper way. All those teaching methodology so I learned so beautifully, and the observation skill I got, the practice I got from Excel Yoga School was so excellent that I implemented in a many of the students. I learned how to demonstrate the poses, their benefits from the Excel Yoga School, and that helped me out to be a better teacher trainer of a yoga. Now I have been certified I have been certified as a registered yoga teacher 200 IRYS 200, in which in the 200 hours of a program I have learned many things, a teaching methodology for yoga. Even I will learn initial poses that are important, because nowadays in exercise the person used to do warm up, but in yoga there is no such type of a warm up. We used to do if the person insists, we used to do initial pose. For the person who are at the beginner level, we do initial poses. Then I also, in this 200-hour programs, there were mandatory poses. All the yoga teachers should do these mandatory poses to maintain that flexibility, to improve, to get the benefits of benefits of endocrine glands, pancreatic glands. And so the mandatory pose is mandatory, and thus it is named as a mandatory for yoga teachers. Even I have learned a different flow. I also been certified in a flow yoga, that's a vinyasa flow, kundalini yoga, vinyasa, even a Surya Namaskar. The Surya Namaskar has nowadays become so popular, but it has been performed since ancient times by the time of Shivaji. Even it is also written in a Saur Granth. So I have been certified in a flow yoga. I have been certified in a flow yoga and 200 hours of a program, in which it was initial poses, mandatory poses, Surya Namaskar, A and B, Surya Namaskar, Vinyasa flow, Kundalini yoga. Even Vinyasa flow, it's so important. It is in a flow which is done in a continuous manner, and it was founded by K. Patabi Joyce, but the Vinyasa I learned was from Excel Yoga School. Then I have been certified in the aerial yoga. The aerial yoga, it is said that aerial yoga is a modern, but no. Aerial yoga has been performed from ancient years. The ancient people used to perform aerial yoga in aerial roots. That's a banyan tree roots, and below there was a fire, and they used to perform aerial yoga. And the aerial yoga I have learned from the Excel Yoga school as is it is of a different manners. All the styles even you can't find in any Google or even neither in any social media. All the styles are new and beneficial for each and every organs of your body. So aerial yoga has learned me the person who are not able to do a mat yoga can easily do this aerial yoga, and it is good for your weight loss. So aerial yoga, I have been certified in aerial yoga. Then the other certificate I have been certified is a power yoga. The power yoga is so famous nowadays. It also helps to for a weight loss. I mean, it is done in a sequence of upper body, lower body, whole body. It is a power yoga is a different type of Surya Namaskar, and it is a performed in a many repetitions, and if it is even it is proved that if it is performed regularly for one month or 2 months, then you can also lose your weight so easily. The power yoga is done for easily weight loss. Then I have learned and get certified in a restorative yoga. The restorative yoga is a very important yoga. It will restore and rejuvenate each and every body parts. Each and every person can do a restorative yoga, and the contraindications, disadvantages of the restorative yoga is less in compared to other poses. Because the restorative yoga, we use a different type of bolsters with different size of a bolster, which will help to support our body parts, so that our body will get relaxed, and our heart rate, PP, number of breath will also get relaxed. So the restorative yoga is done in a condition of also done in the condition of like a post major surgery. After the post major surgery, when the person is bedridden, the restorative yoga will help more. Then I have learned and certified in a prenatal yoga. In the prenatal yoga, in Excel Yoga school, the proper care is taken for the person who are coming for a prenatal yoga. All the precautions before the birth is been taken while teaching a yoga. Even each and every types of contraindications, precautions are taken in my mind while teaching a yoga, like Kumbha and Savasana is contraindicated, and we don't teach to the prenatal women, and even we help them to rejuvenate their organs. Even we help them to reduce their swelling, reduce their lower back pain, and thus the Excel Yoga school helps the prenatal women